Now we will see question number 12 of exercise 5.1 lines and angles 7th standard. Now question number 12 is find the values of the angles x, y and z in each of the following figure. Now here two figures are given to us. This is the first figure. One angle is given 55 degree and this x, y and z, these three unknown angle, we have to find out the value of x, value of y and value of z. So these three angles, okay, these are unknown angles. So we will find out the value of these three angles with the help of this one angle which is given to us. So 55 degree, this one angle which is given, by using this we will get the other three angles. Okay, and again now here this is second figure. So one by one we will see the solution part of this first and second sum of question number 12. Now we will see the solution part. So this is the first figure of question number 12. Okay, if you see the figure carefully, okay, x, y and z, these three angles we will have to find out. Okay, now in introduction video we have learnt pairs of angles. We have learnt what is vertically opposite angle, what is linear pair. Okay, so these pairs of angles we have already seen. Okay, a short introduction about these pairs of angles. Now that we are going to use here in this. So if you see the figure, see, you can see the letter x is given. So these two lines, this line and this line, these two lines are intersecting lines. Okay, and these lines, they intersect, they cut each other at this point. And this angle 55 degree and this angle x, they are vertically opposite angle. 55 के exactly सामने. Okay, if you see this side 55 degree and exactly opposite here it is angle x. So 55 degree and angle x, they both are vertically opposite angles. Okay, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So x you can get directly, it is very easy. Directly you will write x is equal to 55 degree. अगर ये 55 degree है तो ये वाला एंगल भी 55 डिग्री होगा. Why? The reason is they both are vertically opposite angles. तो ये जो एंगल है जो आमने सामने है opposite direction में, they are called vertically opposite angles, and this we have learnt in the introduction video. So the reason is vertically opposite angle and x we will get directly. So first we will write that x is equal to 55 degree. So x तो directly मिल गया. Reason आपको लिखना है vertically opposite angles. Now in this type of sum, this reason is very important. Why you have written x is 55 degree? Okay, so this reason what you write in the bracket, for that you are getting marks. So don't forget, you have to mention the reason. Okay, so x इक्वल टू 55 डिग्री. x कितना होगा? डायरेक्टली x की वैल्यू हमको पता चल गई. ये जो एंगल है x, दैट इज 55 डिग्री. वाई? बिकॉज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. सो x मिल गया. नाउ y and z are left. Now y and z, they are also vertically opposite angle, but y and z both we don't know. Okay, y also we don't know, z also we don't know. So how you will find y and z? So now we have to see from some other point of view. If you see this 55 degree and this angle y, ये दोनों they are neighboring angles, they are adjacent angle, they are connected through this point and they are forming linear pair. Okay, we have also seen the definition part with figure, with example. What is linear pair? Linear pair means दो एंगल जब combine होते हैं they form a straight line. You can see straight line is formed over here. Okay, so this way these two angle they make linear pair. So 55 degree plus ये y, they both are forming linear pair. तो जब भी ऐसा इस टाइप का एंगल होगा, okay, this angle and this angle, they both are connected through this point and through this common line and they make a straight line. Okay, so इस टाइप का जो एंगल होगा they are linear pair. So ये straight line बन रही है and this 55 और ये y, दोनों एंगल बाजू में है, means they are connected. So they are forming linear pair. Now the total of linear pair is always equal to 180 degree. So second point that we are going to use is 55 degree plus y, ये दोनों का total होगा 180 degree because they are making linear pair. So you can write that 55 degree plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, ये दोनों का total हो जाएगा 180 degree. Reason linear pair. Okay, don't forget to write the reason why total is 180 because they both are making linear pair. ये दोनों एंगल जो है वो लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. दिस लाइन, ओके, स्ट्रेट लाइन, और ये दोनों एंगल दे आर मेकिंग लीनियर पेयर. सो दैट इज वाई 55 डिग्री प्लस एंगल y इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री लीनियर पेयर. नाउ आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस we will get angle y. We have seen the chapter simple equations. So now you know this is a type of equation how we can find this y. Okay, so this 55 degree we have to take it this side, we have to transpose it and it will get subtracted. 55 पता है, okay, y ढूंढना है तो दोनों का टोटल 180 है, तो 180 में से 55 को माइनस कर देंगे तो जो भी बचेगा दैट इज योर एंगल y. सो एंगल y इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 55 डिग्री. ये 55 डिग्री जो पॉजिटिव है दैट वी विल टेक दिस साइड, वी आर ट्रांसपोजिंग एंड वो यहाँ पे आके माइनस हो जाएगा. सो एंगल y इज इक्वल टू, नाउ वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 180 माइनस 55 कितना होगा, ओके कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. तो 10 माइनस 5 विल बी 5, दिस विल बी 7, 7 माइनस 5 विल बी 2. Okay, so 125 degree. So 125 degree is our angle y. So we have got angle y. Okay, x मिल गया. Okay, angle y मिल गया. Now angle y we know. Angle y अब हमको पता है. Angle y is 125 degree. Now y we know. So directly z also we can write down because y and z are again vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are always equal. So z आपको डायरेक्टली मिल जाएगा. ओके, जितना मेजरमेंट y का होगा उतना ही z का होगा और y हमको मिल चुका है. So now directly you can write that angle y is equal to angle z. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Y and z are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so एंगल y इज इक्वल टू एंगल z और y कितना है 125, तो z भी कितना होगा, एंगल z इज ऑल्सो 125 डिग्री. सो दिस वे with the help of one angle you can find the other three angles. Okay, you just have to think that what reason you can use. So ये दोनों vertically opposite angle था तो x डायरेक्टली मिल गया. ओके, ना y और z दोनों में से कोई भी एक मिल जाएगा तो दूसरा ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाएगा क्योंकि दोनों वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल है. सो y वी हैव गॉट हाउ, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज बोथ. ये दोनों लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म कर रहा है. ओके, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ लीनियर पेयर द टोटल इज 180. लीनियर पेयर का टोटल 180 होता है तो 180 में से माइनस किया तो y मिल गया. नाउ y वी हैव गॉट, सो y एंड z आर इक्वल. द रीजन इज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. सो x, y and z, all three angles we have got. So this was first one. Now we will see the second part of question number 12. Now we will see second one of question number 12. So this is the second figure. Okay, so first of all you need to see the figure carefully. Okay, otherwise you may make mistake in finding out vertically opposite angle, linear pair, etc. So first of all this figure you need to see carefully. This part is 40 degree, this is given to us 40 degree, and this angle is given as 25 degree, and this x, z and y, this three unknown angle we will find out. So first of all you may think that this x and y they are vertically opposite angle. दोनों आमने सामने है so they are vertically opposite angle. You may think by looking at the figure, but actually it is not like that. X and y they are not vertically opposite angle because this ray is given in between और ये जो ray है it is only till here, it is not intersecting. Okay, so this angle x and this angle y they are not vertically opposite angle. If you see the figure, this is the x part what we are getting. Okay, ये वाला जो part है, okay, I am drawing this side, ये वाली line, okay, और ये straight line. Okay, so this 40 degree and this z they both are vertically opposite angle. ये 40 और ये z they are vertically opposite angle, but this x and y they are not vertically opposite angle. Okay, because यहाँ पे आपको एक ray दिया है extra. अगर ये पूरा होता और ये पूरा होता तो they can be vertically opposite, but यहाँ पे बीच में आपको एक एरो दिया है, ये जो रे दिया है उसकी वजह से x and y they are not vertically opposite angle. So you need to see the figure very carefully. ओके आपको लगेगा कि ये दोनों वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल है, बट इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. So how we will find this x, y and z? So z we can get directly because as you can see z and this 40 degree they both are vertically opposite angle. ये 40 degree और ये z दोनों जो है vertically opposite angle है. So ये भी 40 है means z भी 40 होगा. So directly your z is equal to 40 degree और 40 degree is equal to z. Why? The reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay, both are vertically opposite angle and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So ये आपको पता है तो ये भी directly पता चल जाएगा. Okay, z we got. Now what is left? x and y. Now x and y आप कैसे निकालोगे? Because they are not vertically opposite angle. Okay, so now we have to use linear pair. So you have to see that which angles make a straight line. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, so if you add this 40 degree plus x plus 25 means this 3 angle. If you add this 1, 2 and 3 angle, they are making a straight line. Okay, they are making a straight line means they are making linear pair. So these 3 angles, they are forming linear pair. ये तीनों एंगल 40 प्लस x प्लस 25 डिग्री, ये तीनों का टोटल होगा 180 डिग्री. अगर आप सिर्फ ये दो एंगल लोगे तो ये 40 डिग्री मीन्स दिस मच पार्ट, x मीन्स दिस मच पार्ट. तो ये वाला एरो यहां तक हो गया और यहां तक हो गया. इतना ही पार्ट लोगे तो वो स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं बन रहा है. इट इज नॉट मेकिंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो 25 ऑल्सो इफ यू टेक मीन्स दिस पार्ट. ओके, वी वॉन्ट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. लीनियर पेयर मीन्स टोटल शुड बी 180. दे शुड मेक अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो 40 प्लस x प्लस 25 करेंगे तो यू विल get that is equal to 180 degree because that is linear pair. So with the help of that you can find x. Okay, so ये तीनों जो आपका है वो आपका एक linear pair है. Okay, which three I am writing here on the side. 40 plus x plus 25. These three are making linear pair, so total will be 180 degree. एक तरीका ये है. This is one method of finding out. This is one method of finding out. There is another way also to find out. By this way, after calculating solving this, you will get x. दूसरा तरीका ये है कि ये y plus z, जैसे ये पूरा this 3 they are making a straight line. Similarly, नीचे के side, if you see this below the line, if you add this y and z, this two angle, ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो आपको यहाँ पे भी 180 डिग्री मिल रहा है. Means y plus z, they both are also forming linear pair. ऊपर ये तीनों मिलके स्ट्रेट लाइन बना रहे हैं और नीचे ये दोनों मिलके, राइट. सो इफ यू टेक दिस 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3, दिस 3 दैट इज इक्वल टू 180. ओके, लीनियर पेयर. नेक्स्ट यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक दिस y प्लस z, दे आर मेकिंग लीनियर पेयर. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस और यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस. एनी वन यू कैन टेक विच एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल. ओके, सो नाउ we will take this. Okay, any one you can take. If you take this then also answer will be same if you take this. Okay, so now first we will start with this 40 plus x plus 25. Okay, so 40 plus x plus 25 equal to 180 degree. Why that is equal to 180 degree? Reason is linear pair. These three are making linear pair. Okay, so this is the reason. Now we will solve it like equation. So how you will solve it? First, these two number are given on the same side. So these two we will add. So 40 plus 25. How much you will get? 4 into 6. 65 plus x equal to 180 degree. Now this 65, we have to take it that side. We have seen the chapter equations. Okay, so 65 को उस तरफ ले जाएंगे. यहाँ पे वो पॉजिटिव है. So when I will take it there, it will become negative. So x will be equal to 180 minus 65. Okay, now what is 180 minus 65? We will do it. 10 minus 5, 5. This will become 7. 7 minus 6 will be 1 and this also 1. So 115. So x is equal to 115. So x we got. So our x is 115 degree. X we got. Okay, with the help of linear pair. Again, y plus z, they are also making linear pair. और z हमको पता है, z is 40. We have already done in the beginning. Now we will take this both. So with the help of this we can get y. आपको सोचना है कि क्या लोगे तो आपको वैल्यू मिलेगी इजीली. तो अब y plus z लेंगे. So now again angle y plus angle z, this y plus z, the total is 180 डिग्री. ये नीचे वापस स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म हो रहा है. ये दोनों क्या है? लीनियर पेयर है. वापस हमारा रीजन हो जाएगा लीनियर पेयर. ओके, सो y plus z 180 डिग्री. नाउ y वी डोंट नो, z की वैल्यू हमको पता है, तो z की जगह z की वैल्यू रख देंगे. z की वैल्यू कितनी है? 40. तो y हमको पता नहीं है तो उसको सेम रखेंगे. वी विल कीप इट एज इट इज. सो y and z we know, z is 40 and this side equal to 180 degree. Now this 40 we will take that side. Okay, so angle y will be equal to 180 minus 40. And what is 180 minus 40? It is 148 minus 4 is 4. So 140 degree. So this is our y. So x, y and z, all three values we have got. So this was question number 12, second sum. Hope you understood.